Hey everybody, welcome to Beyond the Body. In today's video, we will talk about the top 10 Mediterranean diet health benefits. Make sure to watch it till number 1 because this one is the most crucial benefit of being on the Mediterranean diet. Before we get started, be sure to click the link in the description for our number 1 weight loss recommendation. And also, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe as well as turn on the bell icon notifications. Now let's get straight into the video. So what is a Mediterranean diet? A Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that is traditional in countries around the Mediterranean Sea. The diet emphasizes fresh, whole foods such as fruits and vegetables, as well as whole grains, beans, and nuts. It also includes a decent amount of fish, poultry, and dairy, and olive oil is used in place of other fats. Red meat is consumed only occasionally. This way of eating has been associated with a number of health benefits, including reduce of risk of heart disease and diabetes. The Mediterranean diet is also generally high in fiber and antioxidants, which can help to protect against various chronic diseases. For these reasons, the Mediterranean diet is considered to be a healthy option for people of all ages. The origins of the Mediterranean diet are unclear. Some historians believe that it is based on the traditional diets of countries such as Greece and Italy. Others contend that it is a more recent phenomenon, influenced by factors such as the availability of new foods, such as tomatoes and potatoes, and the increased use of olive oil. Whatever the origins, the Mediterranean diet has become increasingly popular in recent years. This is likely due to the growing awareness of its health benefits. In addition, the diet provides a delicious and satisfying way to eat that can be easily adapted to a variety of cultures and tastes. Number 10. The Mediterranean diet can help you lose weight. The Mediterranean diet has been gaining popularity in recent years as a healthy way to lose weight. Again, because the diet is based on foods eaten in countries such as Italy and Greece. These countries have some of the lowest rates of obesity and heart disease in the world. The Mediterranean diet is all about fresh fruits and whole vegetables, whole grains, as well as legumes, nuts, and olive oil. It also includes a decent amount of fish, red wine, poultry, and last but not least, dairy. One of the health benefits of the Mediterranean diet is that it helps you feel full after eating. This is because the diet contains high amounts of fiber and healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet is also low in sugar and refined carbs, which can help to prevent cravings. As a result, the Mediterranean diet is an effective way to lose weight without feeling deprived. Number 9. The Mediterranean diet can help you lower your blood pressure. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to be an effective way to lower blood pressure. Again, the diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and fish is high in omega-3 fatty acids. It also includes moderate amounts of red wine and olive oil. Studies have shown that following a Mediterranean diet can help lower systolic blood pressure by an average of 5 points and diastolic blood pressure by an average of 3 points. The diet is also associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. If you're looking to lower your blood pressure, the Mediterranean diet is a good place to start. Number 8. The Mediterranean diet can help you reduce your risk of cancer. The Mediterranean diet is a heart-healthy eating plan that has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. The diet is based on the foods of the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including Greece as well as Italy and Spain. These countries have some of the lowest rates of heart disease and cancer in the world. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fruits and vegetables as well as a whole grain, legumes, olive oil, and wild-caught fish. Again, it is also included in decent amounts of dairy and red wine. Studies have shown that people who follow the Mediterranean diet have a lower risk of developing cancers of the breast, colon, and prostate. The diet may help to protect against cancer and reducing inflammation and lowering insulin levels. In addition, the healthy fats found in olive oil and fish may help to prevent the formation of cancer-causing mutations. If you're looking for a way to reduce your risk of cancer, the Mediterranean diet is a good place to start. Number 7. The Mediterranean diet can improve your cognitive function. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to improve cognitive function. Studies have shown that the diet can improve memory, executive functions, and processing speed. The diet is also associated with a lower risk of Alzheimer's diseases and dementia. There are several possible explanations for the cognitive benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The diet is rich in antioxidants as well as anti-inflammatory nutrients, which may protect the brain from damage. The diet is also high in fish, which is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential for brain health. One study found that older adults who followed the Mediterranean diet had better scores on tests of memory and executive functions, which includes reasoning and planning. The diet may also help to protect against cognitive decline in later life. This is thought to be due to the combinations of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory nutrients found in Mediterranean foods. Number 6. The Mediterranean diet can reduce your risk of Alzheimer's disease. A growing body of research has shown that the Mediterranean diet can have a number of health benefits, including reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. The diet is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds, again, all of which are thought to protect the brain against damage. In addition, the Mediterranean diet is low in sugar and refined carbohydrates, like I said, which are believed to contribute to the development of Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that people who follow the Mediterranean diet have a significantly lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease than those who do not. The Mediterranean diet is thought to benefit the brain in several ways. First, it helps to reduce inflammation, which has been linked to the development of Alzheimer's. It also promotes healthy blood flow to the brain and protects against damaging oxidative stress. Thus, if you are looking for a way to reduce your risk of Alzheimer's disease, the Mediterranean diet is a good option to consider. Number 5, the Mediterranean diet is anti-inflammatory. Scientists have long suspected that there is a link between diet and inflammation, but it has been difficult to pinpoint which specific foods cause inflammation. A new study, however, has found that the Mediterranean diet may help to reduce inflammation. The study, which was conducted by the researchers at the University of Connecticut, looked at a group of people who were either following the Mediterranean diet or a standard American diet. The participants were given blood tests to measure levels of inflammation. The results showed that those in the Mediterranean diet group had significantly lower levels of inflammation than those in the American diet group. In addition, the Mediterranean diet group also had lower levels of C-reactive protein, which is a marker of inflammation. These findings suggest that the Mediterranean diet may help to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Number 4. The Mediterranean diet is high in oxidants. The Mediterranean diet is known for being high in antioxidants. These nutrients are important for overall health, but they are also believed to have specific benefits for the heart. Antioxidants help to protect cells from damage, and they have been linked with lower rates of heart disease. These foods are all excellent sources of antioxidants. One reason for these health benefits may be the high intake of antioxidants in the Mediterranean diet. Antioxidants are substances that can protect cells from damage caused by harmful molecules, called free radicals. Free radicals are produced naturally in the body as a result of normal metabolism, but they can also be created by environmental factors such as pollution and cigarette smoke. Over time, free radical damage can contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants in the Mediterranean diet work to neutralize free radicals and prevent this damage from occurring. As a result, a diet rich in antioxidants may help to reduce the risk of some chronic diseases. Number 3. The Mediterranean diet is high in healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that is traditional in countries around the Mediterranean Sea. The diet is high in healthy fats, including olive oil, nuts, and avocados. These fats can help to improve heart health, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of stroke. The Mediterranean diet is also high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fish, like I said before. These nutrient-rich foods can help to protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. In addition, the Mediterranean diet is low in processed foods, sugar, and red meat. This way of eating can help to promote a healthy weight, increase energy levels, and improve overall health. Number 2. The Mediterranean diet is delicious and easy to follow. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a set of dietary guidelines. It is a delicious way of eating that can easily be incorporated into your everyday routine. The foundation of the diet is fresh, unprocessed foods such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats. These ingredients are then used to create nutritious and flavorful dishes that are satisfying and easy to make. Best of all, the Mediterranean diet is flexible, so you can easily tailor it to your own preferences and tastes. Whether you're looking for a new breakfast idea or simply want to find a way to make your favorite recipes healthier, the Mediterranean diet has something to offer everyone. So why not give it a try? You may be surprised at how delicious healthy eating can be. Finally, number 1. The Mediterranean diet is a heart-healthy diet. The Mediterranean diet has long been lauded as a heart-healthy way of eating, and for good reason. Studies have shown that this diet can help to lower cholesterol levels, improve blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. The Mediterranean diet is based on the traditional foods consumed in countries like Italy, Greece, and Spain. Once again, these includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, olive oil, whole grains, beans, nuts, and fish. So keep that in mind. While red meat is eaten in moderation, processed meats are generally avoided. This diet is rich in heart-healthy nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. So keep that in mind too. And it has been shown to improve overall health and well-being. If you're looking for a heart-healthy diet, the Mediterranean diet is a great option. Check out this video, 10 pro-metabolic foods to eat daily, and also be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.